right about now I will be assembling my dinner table, which came earlier today. I want to try to get it done as soon as possible. Seems as if it will be taking a while, so yeah, let's assemble this dinner table. So first I'm gonna try to figure out all the different parts. So we got these two for the tables, and so we'll be assembling this first. Need to get the screws. This screw. Okay. These are for the chairs. So I'm gonna put these aside for a little. And the first piece is finally finished. Chairs up and running. I have 3 more chairs left to do. So when I am finished, I'll give you the complete view of the overall setup. Yeah. Okay, so I am finally finished with the 4th chair. So I am finished with the table. I am going to put this chair underneath and clean up the place and finally go take a shower. It took me over 1.5 hours to assemble the table and the chairs, but yeah, I am happy, and I'm just gonna get this place cleaned up, you know. But I am happy. I like the color of the table. It came with an Allen key and about 4 different sets of screws. It cost around almost 14,000 yen to purchase the table set on Amazon, of course. Yes, I love shopping on Amazon. Oh yeah, so let's get this place cleaned up. So tomorrow is box day, so I wanted to get these cardboards out here. Yeah, so it came with 4 different types of screws. And the manual. Let me soon come back. Yeah, so I'm kind of at the place. So this is the table. I am finished with it. Well, I'm finished assembling it. And I can start using it. Take my food around it now. So yeah, this is it. So see you on another video of the parl, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. See you next time.